Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from Unice Hair Amazon. Now this wig install is going to be very quick, you guys. Look at the timeline of this video. This is a very quick put on and go straight out the box wig install because this wig does come pre-styled. The lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached with the bye-bye knots. And this is technically their 7x5 bye-bye knots lace closure wig. It is a nice beige brown color. It is 150% density, 100% human hair, and I believe I have her in 24 inches, but because of the way the hair is curled, it does look a little shorter. I either have it in 22 or 24 inches, but it will be listed in my description box down below, okay? Not to mention the lace on this wig is super thin, which definitely makes it for a nice, quick, and easy lace melt. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I install this wig in literally like 15 minutes. So I'm just adding some foundation all over this lace per their usual. This is very important because lace is a texture, it's a fabric, and you want to make sure it matches your skin color as best as possible. No lace is going to match your skin color 100% straight out the box, which is why I go in with some foundation. Then I'm going to go ahead and just throw the wig on per the usual. Now the first thing I noticed is that the wig cap fit amazing. It fit so comfortable around my ears. It fit nice, tight, and secure. I did add a little bit of spray, but I'll talk about that in a second, but it wasn't to secure the wig or the lace down or anything like that. This wig cap felt amazing, and it was also very breathable, and it felt very lightweight on my head, which I appreciated. So I'm going to go ahead and comb all the additional hair away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with. Now the main reason why I decided to add a little bit of spray is just because it's my preference. Whenever I am working with a lace closure wig, I personally feel like it just looks better when you add a little bit of spray on top of that lace. So I will be using a lace melting spray, and then I will be going in with a little bit more foundation. However, the lace was very thin, which is great, and also the fit of the wig in general was just awesome. So I changed the parting style from a middle part to a side part because I wanted to give you guys a little bit of versatility. This is a 7x5 lace closure, so you can maneuver it over to a side part if you would like. And I did add a little bit of baby hair because I wanted to cover up a specific area of the lace that was bothering me. Sometimes when you turn your head to the side, you can see the fabric, and I just don't like that. So the hair did come pre-curled, and you guys know I have a very bad habit of recurling the hair, and I did not want to do that today. So I just went in with my wax stick and my wide tooth comb to kind of just help the curls look a little bit more refreshed and get rid of those flyaways and just make everything look neat. That way it looks like I just curled the hair. Now, just so you guys are aware, the wig did not have a crazy smell coming out of the box. The shedding was also very minimal. I did not have any issues with tangling, and I didn't use heat on the hair today besides my hot comb, but it pretty much took to the heat extremely well. I did not recurl the hair today, so I don't exactly know how the hair would work, you know, on my curling wand, but I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. This isn't the first time I promoted the Bye Bye Knots wig from Unice Hair Amazon, so I'm putting a lot of faith in them, okay? I don't think you should have an issue if you were to recurl the hair, but luckily the hair does come pre-styled for you that you do not have to. So if you are in a rush and you just want to throw on a wig really quickly, you guys are seeing exactly how I did that, and it came out beautiful. And just like that, we are finished, you guys. This wig install was very quick, very painless. Now, like I said, I did install this wig in about 15 minutes. You guys got a 5-minute tutorial because it was just mostly me editing out the same thing that you guys are seeing in this video. I just like to make sure the hair looks perfect. But make sure you guys click the link in my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.